Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in the LT Trail Boss trim and is a North Sky Blue metallic paint finish. It includes features such as a 2-inch factory lift, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a trailer tow package with auto-locking rear differential, heated front seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a whole lot more. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, below power mirrors, as well as our power window controls with a rear window lock. In the bottom of the door, there's some additional storage, as well as our speaker. Moving into the left-hand side of the steering wheel, at the top, we have our tow haul mode, as well as our drive mode select. Below it is all of our lighting controls, including our in-bed lighting and display cluster lighting. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have power controls. You can also see the seat here in our black leather finish or cloth finish, and of course heated in the front of the vehicle. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has our cruise settings. The right-hand side of the steering wheel has hands-free settings, as well as all of the controls for our display cluster information system. Moving to our infotainment system, we can see we have AM/FM audio, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth audio, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If we swipe to the right, we can also see our backup camera with adaptive guidelines, as well as hitch guidelines. Below it are some additional controls if we don't want to use the touchscreen. Then below those controls, we have our dual zone front climate control, heated seats below either side's climate knobs, push to start button to the left of that, as well as our parking sensors, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and downhill park assist buttons. Then we have a USB-C, a USB, and a 12-volt plug. We have some storage below that, as well as our 2 cup holders with some storage in the middle. You can also see our key. We have locks and unlocks on the top, a remote starter, power tailgate button, as well as our alarm button. Moving to the center console, we can see we have storage on top. Opening inside, we can see we have some deep storage. Moving to the passenger seat, we can see it is also in our jet black cloth and is also heated. Then above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar settings, as well as our rear check reminder and our lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our front tire and rim, we can see that we have a alloy finish in black with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap and an all-terrain tire. Moving up, we can see we have a black finish on our outside mirrors, as well as black finishes on both our door handles. The back of the vehicle, we have our Trail Boss badging, as well as our corner steps. Moving all the way to the back, we have our Silverado LT and Chevrolet badging, all in black, dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as our trailer hitch in the center. On the left-hand side of our power tailgate, we have our backup camera. Opening into our power tailgate with a simple press of the button, we can see we have a slow open tailgate. Inside the bed itself, we can see we have tie-downs in both the front and the back of the bed, in-bed lighting, as well as our ChevTech spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and a large speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in the back of the driver's seat, as well as in the back of the passenger seat. Between the 2 seating, we have 2 cup holders in the back of our center console. Below it are 2 rear vents, as well as a USB-C, USB, and 12-volt plug. Moving to the seats in the second row, we can see they are also finished in our jet black cloth. In the center seat, we have our foldable cup holders with some storage in the middle. In the back of either of the side seats, we have our storage compartments in the back of the seat. You can also lift up the seats by simply pushing up on the bottom, and we can see that we have under-seat storage in a 60-40 folding split fashion. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.